Shalom, shalom. Man is a triune being. He's a spirit that lives in a body and has a soul. There was a time when physical strength shaped the world. Then those who had power in their body led nations and set the direction of society. Later, the soul of man took the front seat. Thought, logic, and learning became the main tools. Intellectual giants shaped culture, science, and global system. Yet, the deepest part of man has not been seen in its full potential. The spirit has waited in the innermost part of man. It has held a promise that one day it will rise and guide humanity into a new age, into a new civilization. Behold with the eyes of your spirit, that new age is here. The world feels the shift because something greater is waking within the human spirit. Behold, the manifestation of the sons of God. Is it not written that when the complete one comes or the perfect one comes, those that are in part will fade away? It is not the intention of God that those who are in part should be done away. But according to the prophet Ezekiel, the Lord says, "Now this was the sin of your sister Sodom. She and her daughter were arrogant, overfed, and unconcerned. They did not help the poor and needy. They were haughty and did detestable things before me. Therefore I did away with them, as you have seen." Behold, this is the judgment of the Church of Jesus Christ. For the time has come for judgment to begin at the house of the Lord.